Good afternoon, everyone. This is JD Hubbard with Poor World Weather, and we are currently tracking a very strong and powerful severe thunderstorm in the Lake War area, where we have a severe thunderstorm warning for the next 22 minutes or until 2:45 p.m. But what's going on is this storm is producing 2.75-inch hail, which is baseball-sized hail, wind gusts of 70 miles per hour, and the damage threat is considered destructive. This is a life-threatening situation that we are talking about on our hands. We are continuing to provide coverage. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Central Rutherford, Northeastern Henderson, and Southeastern Buncombe counties. At 2:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles north of Columbus over Chimney Rock State Park, moving east at 25 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm. I cannot stress this enough. A destructive storm for Lake Roar. Hazard includes baseball-sized hail, so that is 2.75-inch, and 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. This is radar indicated, and impact people and animals outdoor will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, sidings, and vehicles. If you are in this area, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building as soon as possible. We will continue to provide coverage with this storm, but like I said, for those who are just joining us, we have a very destructive storm on our hands for the next 20 minutes until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Time, and with 2.75-inch hail, which is baseball-sized hail, and wind gusts of up to 70 miles per hour. Stay with us for continued coverage. Thank you very much.